Have you heard the gruesome tale of the time a Targaryen princess flew with Balerion to Valyria? Princess Arya Targaryen claimed Balerion from the yard of Dragonstone one morning, after which they went missing for more than a year. They finally returned to King's Landing in 56 AC, with a severely ill Arya clinging to Balerion's back. Arya returned with horrific worms that had faces inside of her. It seemed like the creatures were keeping her alive to consume her. She was placed in an ice bath where her heart stopped, and the creatures that survived the doom of Valyria shot out of her. Even Balerion, the strongest dragon of his time, barely survived his time in Valyria. The dragon bore a huge jagged rent down his left side that was almost 9 feet long, and fresh blood still dripped hot and smoking from the wound. What horrors still exist in old Valyria?